Hello, I'm in a 2019 Jeep Cherokee, and today I'm going to show you how to change your language settings between English, Spanish, or French for your display. So first, make sure your vehicle's on and that your display's on, and then we'll go to the settings and then the language here, and then Spanish or French or English. So let's say we want Spanish. We'll just select here, and then in just a moment here it'll auto reset everything for you. But that's it. And then I speak English, so I'll just walk through this again to switch it to English. So this configuration button, and then idioma, and then English. And again, it just goes through a prompt for a few moments to update everything back to English. And that should be it. Should be nothing else you have to do. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.